where we do learning with fun, right? So story times are specifically based on real skills of every child able to read, right? Who are able to ready to read, the children. So let's find out what are the things that help us a child to read, right? So there are, can we get 5 fingers out? Yes. So here are the 5 fingers. Right, the first one that every child needs is to know how to talk, right? Second being singing, third being reading, fourth being talking, and the fifth being sleeping. Is that so? No. The fifth being the most favorite one that the children love, to play, right? So once they know all these skills, the child is ready to read and to go to school, right? So now let's get started. So today we shall get started with a song, which is a new song which we call a family song, where we will introduce family members, not all but a few of them, right? So the title of the song is going to be Hello Song. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Hello Daddy, how are you? Hello Daddy, how are you? Hello Daddy, how are you? I am busy, thank you. Hello Mommy, how are you? Hello Mommy, how are you? Hello Mommy, how are you? I am great, thank you. Hello brother, how are you? Hello brother, how are you? Hello brother, how are you? I am awesome, thank you. Hello sister, how are you? Hello sister, how are you? Hello sister, how are you? I am fabulous, thank you. Hello baby, how are you? Hello baby, how are you? Hello baby, how are you? I am good, thank you. Hello, hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? I know that all of you are very good. Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? I know that all of you are very good. So good job, children, good job. So now shall we get to do something different, something new? Yes, all of us are ready. So show me your hands. Show me your hands. Come on, quickly. Show me your hands. Yeah, these are our hands. And we are going to do something with these hands. So are you all ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Open and shut. Open and shut. And clap, clap, clap. Once again, let's do. Open and shut. Open and shut. And clap, clap, clap. Open and shut. Open and shut. Put it on your head. Open and shut. Open and shut. And clap, clap, clap. Open and shut. Open and shut. And put it on your shoulders. One more last time. Open and shut. Open and shut. Clap, clap, clap. Open and shut. Open and shut. One last time. And put it on your lap, lap, lap. So amazing, children. So I guess we've learned 2 more new songs today. Hello song and open and shut with our hands, right? So moving on to our next segment for today, let's learn something about shapes and colors. Are you all ready to learn about some shapes and colors? So we have this beautiful book here, from which we are going to learn different shapes today and colors. Okay, So the first one here are white triangles. So these are white color triangles, right? So this little girl here has a sailing boat which has a triangle here and a flag shaped in a triangle shape, right? Now the second shape here is squares. So this child has a blanket which has square shape, blue color square shape. Let's see. And he also has some blocks which are square blocks and blue in color. Yes. Moving on, here we have another child who has star shapes. Now she has some starfishes in her hand. Orange color starfishes. We can see here. Now we have purple color diamonds, right? Let's see what is there. So this child has a kite. Kite is a diamond shaped kite the child is having, and it is purple in color. Now this child has yellow color ovals. Now the balloons that the child is having in her hand are yellow in color and oval in shape. Yes, here the child has, if you can see the book, she has pink hearts, right? The heart shape, and it's pink in color, and she has a card on which she has made a heart, right? Now let's see this. So yeah, let's see this. These are green rectangles. This child has a green rectangle over here, and the garbage truck, the toy garbage truck that the child has is green in color and rectangle in shape. Now the last one is circle shape. The shape is circle here, red in color. Let's see what is there. So this child has a red color ball in his hand, right? So circle in shape is the ball and red in color, right? So I guess with this we have learned some shapes and some colors. Yes? Okay, so with this, let's get started with wheels on the bus. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. So wheels are also circle in shape, right? So let's get started with wheels on the bus. 1, 2, 3, start. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. The conductor on the bus goes ticket, 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 ticket. The conductor on the bus goes ticket, ticket, ticket all day long. The girls of the bus go giggle, 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 giggle. The girls on the bus go giggle, giggle, giggle all day long. The children of the bus go bye, 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 bye. The children on the bus go bye, 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 bye. The children of the bus go bye, bye, bye all day long. So I guess all of us already know this song, but it was fun to do this song today. Yes, the wheels on the bus. Okay, so moving on to the next set here. Do we want to read something now? So I have this beautiful little book that I'm going to read for all of you. I'll show you the book and then I'll read this. So this book is about zoo friends, right? So this book is about Monkey and his friends. So we'll get to know as to, when Monkey goes to the zoo, he meets a few friends of his. Let's see what those few friends that Monkey has in the zoo like to eat, right? So the title of this book is a very beautiful book here, which says The Monkey and His Friends, right? So this is the scene here. This is a zoo and the monkey is here and he's going to meet each friend here, and let's learn what these friends love to eat. Okay, So, the monkey visited his zoo friends. He met the first person he met was, the first animal that he met was, animal friend was the elephant. That was eating nuts. So, the elephant was eating nuts. While the lion was enjoying a delicious piece of meat. Lion loves eating a piece of meat. So, the lion was enjoying eating a delicious piece of meat. Let's see what's next. The giraffe was eating leaves from the trees. So the giraffe loves eating the leaves because he's very tall. He has long neck, so he can reach the tree, right? So he was eating the leaves from the trees. The bear in his corner was eating his honey pot. See, the bear in his corner was eating his honey pot. The elephant got a bunch of bananas to meet the lion and the other friends. So the elephant went to the lion to meet him, and he loved eating a bunch of bananas with all his friends, right? So they all ate and had a great time. See the last page. So they all together, as sharing is caring, the thought that we learned in our last episode, they all shared their food and ate together. So this was a little book, a beautiful little book on monkey and his friends from the zoo. Yeah. Moving on to the next segment of learning with fun. Let us see what we have in the next book here. The wild animals, right? So let's all learn wild animals together. The first one is the king of the jungle, lion. The second one is the tiger. The third one here is the rhinoceros. Next one is the elephant. Then we have a deer. And we have a nilgai. Then we have the reindeer. Wow. Then we have a panda. We have a wolf. We have a jackal. Right? Then we have a hippopotamus. We have bison. Then we have the cute koala bear. We have a kangaroo. Then we have a polar bear, we have a bear, we have a giraffe, we have a bull. Yes? Moving on, flipping the page, we have lemur, we have tortoise, the turtle, then we have the hedgehog, then we have a rat. Rat is actually not a wild animal though. You find it, even in homes sometime, right? But it is one of the animals. Then we have a porcupine which has spines, which can prick us. So it's a porcupine. Then we have a mongoose, we have mole, we have raccoon. Then we have from the monkey family, we have certain set of animals from the monkey family. The first one being monkey itself, second one being the gorilla, third one being the ape, and then we have orangutan. So they all in this page are from the monkey family. Yeah? See. Okay, so with this, let's move on to learning the sounds of a few animals. Not all, but a few animals today's episode. Right? So we thought that, as we've read about the zoo and we've learned a little about monkey and his friends at zoo, what they love to eat. Then we got to know a little wild animals and other animals that we can find around. So we thought to do a little bit of learning the sounds of these animals, right? The first one being the dog. So here the dog is, how does the dog sound? Woof, 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 woof. Yes? The second one that we have in the category of animal sounds is the pig. It says oink, oink. Then the third one here we have is a horse, which says neigh, 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 neigh. Yes? The fourth one we have here, the frog, which says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Yes? Then we have the rooster. Here is the rooster. How does the rooster sound? Do we know? It says doodle-doo, doodle-doo. Yes? Then we have our naughty, cheeky monkey. Yes? How does the monkey sound? Do we know? It says chatter, 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 chatter. Yeah? Then we have We have a cat. Yes, a few of us love cats. Here the cat is. The cat says meow, meow. Yes. Then the next one that we have is a wolf. So do we know how does the wolf sound? Yes, we have heard the stories on Big Bad Wolf. Here the wolf is. How does it sound? So the wolf sounds howl, howl. That's how the wolf sounds. Then we have a cute little lamb. How does the lamb sound? It says bleat, bleat, bleat. Yes. Then we have our chicken. Let's call the chicken out. Here the chicken is. How does the chicken sound? Do we know? Yes, I can hear it. What? Okay, let me tell you. It says cluck, cluck, cluck. Right? Then we have, do you want to listen to some more sounds? A few more? Yes? Yes. Okay. Then we have a goose. The goose sounds cackle, cackle, cackle. Yes? Then we have the cow, which says moo, moo, moo. Then we have a fox sound. So fox says yelp, yelp, yelp. Yes. Then we have the cute little duck here, which says quack, 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 quack. Right? So children, we have learned today different sounds of a few animals out here. Right? With this, let's get to the last segment for today. That's going to be some short stories. So as we were receiving some requests from the viewers for the Peppa Pig edition stories, so we are going to be narrating some 3 short stories from the Peppa Pig edition, right? We'll watch the pictures also while I read the story out to you. So the first set of story from the Peppa Pig edition is going to be the Peppa's Garden, right? So here's Peppa Pig. On viewers' request, on children's request, we have come today with the Peppa Pig edition of stories, short stories for our kindergarten kids. This is Peppa's Garden. So let's see. So the first page says, Peppa Pig likes playing in the garden. Yes? So children, do we all also like playing in the garden like Peppa does? Yes, we all love playing in the garden as Peppa does. So Peppa Pig likes playing in the garden. She rides her bicycle with her friends. Yes, we all also ride the bicycle with our friends. Yes, we do, right? Same as Peppa does. So, she cycles her bicycle with her set of friends. Let's see what's next. She has picnics with George. George is Peppa's brother, baby brother, right? So, Peppa often goes for picnics in the garden with the little brother George. Yes? Teddy says, I can have his cookie. So, Peppa Pig's favorite toy is a teddy, right? So, Peppa says that Teddy says, I can have his cookie. And she would love to eat the cookie. Here is the Grandpa Pig. And here she helps Grandpa Pig grow fruits and vegetables in his garden. Here are yummy, yummy strawberries which the Grandpa Pig has grown, right, in his garden. And Peppa and George are delighted to see the lovely strawberries. She plays Piggy in the middle, right? Throw it to me, Mummy. So here Peppa Pig is in middle and there's Mummy Pig and there's George and they are playing with a beautiful ball. Ball is in which shape? We learned shapes today. It is in a circle shape. Yes. Being in the garden is so much fun, says Peppa. Right? So children, I guess all of us also love to play in the garden, like as does Peppa also loves playing in the garden. So this was about Peppa's garden. Moving on to the next set of story from the Peppa Pig edition itself. On the viewer request, we have Peppa at the playgroup. Playgroup is her school where she goes and studies. So Peppa at the playgroup is the next edition here. Beautiful book. Peppa Pig is busy at playgroup, right? Good morning, Peppa, says her teacher. Let's know the name of her teacher. Her teacher is called Yes, you all are right. Madam Gazelle, right? Flipping on to the next page, Pepper sees all her friends at the playgroup, and she feels so happy to meet them all, as we all love to meet our friends, yes? At school, but nowadays we love, meeting them all on the online classes. Hi, I have a viewer here. Yes, absolutely fine. We love to have you here. We have stories here, but yes, you can join us for sure. Thank you so much for joining us. Yes, we are having the Peppa Pig edition. So then she says Peppa's best friend is Susie. So she says Susie, Danny, Candy, Rebecca, Pedro. So they all are the classmates that Peppa has. So she's calling out their names. Let's see next. Peppa likes painting pictures. Wow, see? Peppa is painting pictures. Do you like my very pretty flower? She asks George, her brother. Peppa's favorite lesson is ballet. She loves doing ballet. Ballet is a dance form, right? Which requires a lot of balance and lot of practice. So Peppa really works hard to learn ballet. Peppa loves going to playgroup. I am graceful ballerina, says Peppa. Yes, so this was about Peppa Pig at the playgroup, the second story for today. Moving on to the last set of story from the Peppa Pig edition is going to be the Peppa's friends. So as we all have friends around, even Peppa has her set of friends. So let's see what's there here. Okay, so Peppa loves dressing up. So do her friends. Peppa is a fairy. I can do magic, she says. So Peppa is dressed as a fairy. And she says, with a stick on, she says, hey, all of you, I can do magic. See? Let's flip and see what's there next. Susie Sheep is a nurse. So Susie, Peppa's friend, is dressed as a nurse. I will make you better, says Susie. Danny Dog is a pirate. As children, we learnt about the pirates. We had done stories on pirates in our last episodes. So Danny Dog here is dressed as a pirate. I'm looking for a buried treasure. So Danny is interested in finding a treasure because he is dressed as a pirate. Yes. Pedro Pony is a clown. So Pedro Pony here is dressed as a clown. And he says, I can make you all laugh. And Candy Cat is dressed as a witch. Oh my God. And she says, I can do all the spells like a witch is what the Candy Cat says. Flipping on to the next one, Rebecca Rabbit. Yes, she's another friend of Peppa. Rebecca Rabbit says, I am a carrot. I like to eat carrots. Peppa has lots of fun dressing up with her friends. Yes, so this was the third set of story for today, which was from the Peppa Pig edition. This was Peppa's friends. So as we all love to go for some fancy dresses, right? We love dressing up into different costumes, maybe during Halloween, right? So does Peppa and her friends. They also love to dress up in their own unique ways. So with this, children, I hope you enjoyed today's set of episode where we had learned a lot of things with fun with learning. So we started with a new song, which was a hello song. Moving on to, we did open and shut with our hands, right? And then we did learn about shapes and the colors. And then we did a beautiful song, Wheels on the Bus, with this beautiful school bus out here, right? Then we did about this beautiful book, Monkey and His Zoo Friends, and we got to know what they love eating, a few animals, what they love eating. Then we learned about a few wild animals from this little book. Yes. Then we learned about some animals here and their sounds. Yes. So I guess it was nice that all of you, and then for sure we did our 3 set of books from the Peppa Pig edition here. Yes. So with this, we close the segment for today, and this is going to again be with a beautiful song. 1, 2, 3, start. Good morning when it's morning. Good night when it's night. Good evening when it's dark outside. Good day when it's light. Good morning to the sunshine. Good evening to the sky. And when it's time to go away, goodbye, 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 goodbye. Let's do it once again. Good morning when it's morning. Good night when it's night. Good evening when it's dark outside. Good day when it's light. Good morning to the sunshine. Good evening to the sky. And when it's time to go away, goodbye, 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 goodbye. So thank you so much, kids, and thank you so much, viewers who are watching us online. Thank you so much for sparing out your time from your busy schedules and joining us for this fun segment in learning and storytelling, learning educational bits and also some songs and rhymes. And love to watch you all once again joining our show in our next episode with some new set of fun segments with learning being fun, right, on Pavni Tells. So thank you everyone for joining. Love you all, children. Take care, stay safe, eat your vegetables on time, eat your fruits on time, right? And the thought of the day is healthy eating helps in a healthy mind. Yes, so eat healthy, eat green vegetables, eat fruits, and if you eat healthy, the mind stays healthy too. So this is the thought for today. Love you all once again. See you all the next time, children. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.